I know I'm always talking to you guys about home decor and building and things for your home. However, I want to go a step further. When I'm looking good and feeling good, I feel better in my space and in my home. So I have begun a process with a fabulous company out in Evans, Georgia. And I have Beth Crandall with me here tonight from Be Healthy. Beth, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I appreciate that. And I've just started a process with you on losing some weight. But tell us the general idea of what Be Healthy does for people.
Yes, so we are so excited to have you with us. We're excited for what you're set out to accomplish on your weight loss journey. So I'm Beth, and I'm the nutritionist there. So I offer nutrition counseling, and then I also help you, get started on a weight loss journey, screen you before you see any physicians or do any of the wellness injections that we offer. And so we offer a variety of different things for different people. So we have something that fits everyone's budget, and then we also have different things for different goals for people. If they want medicine or if they want nutrition counseling, we have it all.
Fantastic. Let's talk about my journey so far. I came in and met with you, and we talked about my goals. Now, people always say, Mike, you don't need to lose any weight, but trust me, the camera adds 10 pounds, so I need to lose 20. But anyway, but I feel better when I'm thinner. So we talked about that and how I could achieve that. So
yes.
I started a process called Skinny Bee. We decided that might work. We're going to start there, and if I need to do more. However, in 8 days, I've lost almost 4 pounds.
I know.
And I can feel it already. I know that doesn't
Yeah.
sound like much, but I'm like, wow. So it's really motivated me,
Yes.
and it's really awesome. So I came in and we met, and then I met someone else. Who was that I met there?
So usually in the steps, you'll come see me, the nutritionist, and we'll get you started to see what the best fit for you is, what your